Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your workflow event templates. Before we start, the purpose of workflow event templates is to assist in sending SMSs, emails, forms, and other events to the debtors and/or patients, as well as other practitioners if necessary. Different workflow event templates can be set up, with each event having a different purpose/use, and thus there can be a big variety of workflow event templates. For clarification, workflow events can range from, and is not limited to, SMSs, emails, consent forms, questionnaires, patient surveys, and so much more. To access the settings from the diary screen, click on the Settings button in the top right corner. On the Settings screen, click on the Entity Settings tab. Take note that the entity settings are set per entity to customize the program to the specific needs of the practice. Click on the Workflow Event Templates panel to expand it. To add a new template, select an applicable event from the drop-down menu. You can choose from a range of options on the event list. For more information about the different events in this event list, please find its user manual link in the video description. Once an event has been selected, you can either click on the Add Template button or click on the Import Template button. Click on the Add Template button to create a new template from scratch. Click on the Import Template button to import an existing template from an external source. Please take note that at this time, the Import Template button is still in development. To see exactly how to create new SMS, email, and other event templates, please find the respective links in the video's description below. Right underneath, you will find previously added event templates. The name is the name of the template that you created. You can mark a template as a default template to use in the system if there is more than one template for that specific workflow event. The default button will be blue to indicate that the specific workflow event is chosen as the default. Click on the Edit button if you want to change or update any information on an existing template. If you want to delete/remove a template, you can click on the red Delete button. Click on the Close button to exit the settings screen without saving. Click on the Save button to save the new settings.